First off, let's talk about the design. The Anker R50i earbuds come in a sleek, compact charging case that easily fits into your pocket. The case itself is well built with a matte finish, giving it a premium feel. Opening it up, you'll find the earbuds snugly nestled inside, with magnets that securely hold them in place and ensure they don't fall out. When it comes to comfort, these earbuds are designed to be ergonomic, fitting snugly in the ear without causing discomfort, even during extended use. They come with multiple sizes of ear tips, allowing you to find the perfect fit for your ears, which is crucial for noise isolation and overall listening experience. Now, onto the most important aspect, sound quality. The Anker R50i earbuds deliver impressive sound performance, with crisp highs and deep, punchy bass. Whether you're listening to your favorite tunes, podcasts, or taking calls, the sound remains clear and immersive. The earbuds utilize advanced drivers that produce a well-balanced audio profile, making them suitable for a wide range of genres. These earbuds also come packed with features. They have touch controls on each earbud, allowing you to play or pause music, adjust volume, skip tracks, and even answer calls with a simple tap. They support Bluetooth 5.0 for a stable connection and have a decent range, which is great for active users. Battery life is another strong point. On a single charge, the earbuds can last up to 8 hours of continuous playback, and the charging case provides an additional 32 hours. This means you can go for days without needing to recharge the case, which is convenient for travelers or anyone on the go.